Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Lindsay, with LindsayMoore.com. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to do affiliate marketing without a website in 2019. Now, before I get into the content, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so that way you can get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a few ways that you can actually do affiliate marketing without a website. Even when I got started with affiliate marketing back in 2013, 2014, I didn't even have a website to get started with or whatever, right? And over time, I definitely recommend that you go ahead and have a website of your own where you can actually do reviews and things like that as well. It can actually be your central hub to where people can find out about your contact information if they want to connect with you, your social media channels, but then also it'll position you as an expert in that particular space, whatever niche that you decide to be in. And people can find, they may start off with one review when they visit your site, but then they can go and scroll through your site and find other things that they might be interested in. And that's just another way that you can generate income. But anywho, we're not talking about that today. We're talking about how you can do it without a website, right? So what do you, some of the things that you want to do, you want to first pick your niche, of course, right? So whether you want to be in the make money online niche like I am, or maybe you want to be in the baby niche, or, newborns, children, cars, whatever the niche is, right? You want to go ahead and choose your niche. And the next thing you want to do is you want to find products to promote, okay? So for me, I'm in the make money online niche. Typically, the people who watch these videos sometimes are also just probably in the make money online internet marketing niche. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you some examples inside of this video with, okay? So some of the sites that you can visit is Jvzoo.com. Now, Jvzoo is free to sign up. And all you have to do is just register for a free account. And once you're over here, you can find products in a wide variety of niches, but they primarily focus on the make money online internet marketing niche, okay? And the same thing goes for, let's move this here, with Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is the same way. It really focuses on the make money online niche. They also have like the pricing of their products are actually really lower over here as well. And then they're also a part of a sales funnel. Same thing with Jvzoo, right? So you may see a product on here that you want to promote, and it may cost anywhere from $7 on upwards up to $97 or something like that. And if somebody buys that initial product, they'll go through a series of other products that the vendor wants to present to them as well. And if that person purchases those additional products, you also earn commissions from there as well, okay? So that's the one good thing about Warrior Plus and Jvzoo is that you have a potential to earn additional commissions from those products, okay? And then the other one is Amazon.com, guys, right? So if you come over here to Amazon and you scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page, you should see where it says to become an affiliate. Again, it's free to become an Amazon affiliate. Just come here, fill out the additional information that they ask for, and now you are a Amazon associate, okay? So all of these sites, once you have created your accounts with them, they will give you, like Amazon will give you a link for any product that you choose. You choose a product and they give you a custom tracking link that you can actually promote with. So anybody who goes and purchases that product through your link, you will get sales, okay? So that's what that is. So you want to make sure that you find what niches you want to be a part of and make sure it's a big, profitable niche, okay? If you go really obscure right off the gate, it may be a little bit difficult for you to get sales initially. If you're getting started with affiliate marketing, start off with a really big niche that has a huge audience of people. And once you have mastered affiliate marketing and you still want to dive into the obscure niches or something like that, then you could definitely do it because you know what? You already have the knowledge and the tools necessary in order to create success with it, okay? So what I mean by the big niches, make money online, love, health, and relationships, health and fitness, right? Those are the ones that you want to get started with, okay? Now that you have your products, okay, now it's time for you to promote. So what you can do is, one option is to create a YouTube channel, right? So to give you guys an example, like right now I'm doing this video off my main YouTube channel. And I also do reviews on this channel as well. And I also refer, products to people, affiliate products through this channel. I also have this channel right here, which is Linsay Moore Reviews. And as you guys can see here, these are some of the products that I have found on Jvzoo and Warrior Plus. Now, this is kind of like with what they call launch jacking, okay? So with launch jacking, a particular product will be released, and like, you know, for anywhere from like 5 to 7 days, they're doing like this launch, right? So that means there is a huge buzz about it. A lot of people are talking about it. So that's going to cause people to come over to YouTube and things like that to learn more information about this particular product. So what I do is I create review videos, and I take advantage of that traffic when people are trying to find out more about this product. I go ahead and create a product where I'm actually doing a review of it, so that way people can understand what the product is, if what the benefits are, what the features are. And then I also offer bonuses. So if they purchase that particular product through my link, and they will actually get bonuses or whatever else. But this is a great way for you to do affiliate marketing. So that's like launch jacking. You can also apply this same thing if you're going to promote any marketing tool or something like that you're going to use. Or like, again, if you're in the health and fitness niche, right? Let's say you find like I don't know, like what do you call those exercise balls or something like that, and you do a review on it, right? You do like a real popular, you find one of those popular ones and you do a review on it. You can include your links in the description below, and you can generate sales. Okay, so that's what I did with these videos right here. I think I've talked about this in another video. So if you do like a Vitamix, right? So a Vitamix is a really popular blender, right? And it's kind of on the pricey side for a blender, right? So with Vitamix, they range anywhere from like a few $100s all the way up to like $1,500 plus, right? So if we click on this young lady right here, she's doing a review. She's doing a review of Vitamix, and let me see if they can show it a little bit. Okay, they just keep showing ads. But she's doing a review of Vitamix, and all she's going to do is in the description below the video, she's given a brief explanation of what she covered in the video, and then she has links, right? You don't have to have a website. She particularly has a website where she's actually just going the extra step to brand herself, and she's basically sharing the same information that she shared in this video on her blog. But again, if somebody doesn't even want to go to her blog, they can click on any of these links right here and actually purchase that product. So again, you want to start with a YouTube channel. Have a YouTube channel. That way you can still position yourself as an expert in this niche. You're still building a brand with people, but you can also just include the links to any of those affiliate products that you're promoting without having to create a website, okay? So that's one way you can do it. Another way that you can do it is through Facebook groups. So as you guys can see right here, this is my Facebook group. I don't just promote, you know, like Jvzoo and Warrior Plus links, you know, just through this group. I do provide a lot of value in this group and things like that as well. And that's what you want to do as well. So if you want to go the route, if you know that you're really active on Facebook, let's say if you are in the, again, health and fitness niche or something like that or whatever, and you create a group about health and fitness, and inside of this group, you're providing a lot of value, like you're sharing weight loss tips, maybe you're sharing like, you know, juicing recipes and things like that as well. And then occasionally you can drop a link in here and you can say like, well, hey guys, I was on Amazon, and, you know, while I have been exercising, I've been having a little bit of back pain, but I found this acupuncture mat on Amazon that has been giving me tons of relief after my workouts. So if you want to go ahead and check out this acupuncture pad, click on this link here. You can include your Amazon link, and then your following inside of this group will click on that link, and if they're interested in buying, they will buy the acupuncture pad, and you get a commission. And again, you're using Facebook groups, and with Facebook groups, it's a great way to actually, again, provide a lot of value and to actually build those relationships and those bonds with the people inside of your group. And when you do that, they actually trust you more, and that actually increases the likelihood of people buying from you, okay? So with the Facebook groups, do not just create them solely just to try to make sales. Understand that you have to lead with value first. Lead with value first, and then occasionally you want to promote products to your audience, okay? And you can do this with a love and relationships niche. You can also do this with the make money online niche as well, as you guys can see here, okay? So you want to lead with value, and then occasionally you want to pitch a few things that you know is going to be helpful to your audience, right? So that's how you can get started with affiliate marketing without a website and actually promote products and earn commissions, okay? Get a YouTube channel. Also, you can use Facebook groups, and you can also combine the two, which will be even better. Combine the two, and you can see an increase in your affiliate commissions, okay, guys? So underneath this video in the description below, if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, how to have success with it, how to actually promote affiliate marketing more effectively and actually kind of see $10,000 months inside of affiliate, inside of your business, underneath this video, I'm going to include a link through a success challenge that I'm currently going through that's teaching you everything about affiliate marketing from A to Z. This will be the only thing that you need to use if you want to truly have results with affiliate marketing, guys, okay? So make sure you go ahead, click on that link below this video. You'll also see the additional bonuses that I will be offering to you if you decide to purchase through my link as well. And then also I'm going to include a link to this group if you want to, connect with me and learn more about affiliate marketing. I'm going to include a link to my Facebook group, Affiliate Marketing Rockstars, in the description below this video, guys, okay? So hope you found this video helpful. Comment below, ask any questions that you have. Like this video. Again, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that way you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. And until the next video, guys. Peace.